see if she'll do it.
Cover this with a fake tattoo of a snake all down her spine.
What is it? 2 degrees?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give her 2 rounds on the grid heater.